Installing Hotwire In-Screed heating is straightforward when you follow the right steps. In this video, we'll show you how to prepare, lay and protect your system for long-lasting performance. For detailed instructions, always refer to the installation manual. In your kit, you'll find an installation manual, a roll of tape, an element testing record, a continuity alarm, the heating element, and a thermostat including floor probe. Step 1. Measure before you order. Always measure your space carefully before ordering your kit. The cable must match your room's dimensions. Never cut the cable. If you're unsure, contact Hotwire before ordering and we'll calculate the right kit for you. Calculate the width between the cable runs using the formula provided. Then cut a jig to help with the installation. Step 2. Prepare the subfloor. Ensure your subfloor is clean, level and ready to receive the heating cable and screed layer. Step 3. Tape the cold tail to the floor. Install the conduit for the cold tail and position it to return neatly to the thermostat location. Step 4. Roll out and fix heating cable. Unroll the heating cable across the floor. Secure it evenly using the tape provided, keeping consistent spacing between runs, never overlap cables and never cut them. You can also lay wire mesh and fix the element to the mesh with cable ties. Every element comes with a halfway label. Make sure your marker lines up with 50% of your floor space. Step 5. Install the floor probe. The probe must be installed evenly between 2 element runs. Step 6. Embed cable in screed. Once the cable is fixed, pour and level the screed to fully embed the heating system. This ensures even heat distribution and protects the cable. Step 7. Testing. Test resistance and continuity before, during and after installation. This confirms your system is working correctly and safely. Your Hotwire In-Screed heating system is now safely installed and ready to deliver comfortable, efficient warmth. Remember, always measure first, never cut the cable, and refer to the manual or give Hotwire a call if you need help.